The next storage class is the register storage class. Register storage class. Okay. So here we use the keyword register. Here we use the keyword register. Okay. So here if we use this keyword register within the program, within the function, the scope of the variable is within the function. Okay, so if we assign any value, that is a value, that is the value is stored, that value. Otherwise a garbage value is stored. Otherwise it stores a garbage value. Okay, so within the function. So when the function is alive, the variable is existed in that function. Okay, so by using the keyword register into k. Okay, so what is the use of this register keyword is, generally the variables are stored in memory. The space is allocated in memory. So here by using this keyword register, by using the keyword register here, okay, so the k is stored in CPU registers. K is stored in CPU registers because to access the variables quickly. Okay, to access the variables quickly. So why? Because for example here we the x k, if we defined into k. Okay, just we defined into k. So where k is allocated? In memory. This is a memory. In memory at particular address location the k is stored. Okay, now let us assume the value of k equals to 1. Okay, now we are incremented the k value by 1. Okay, now what is the k value now? Initially k equals to 1. Now k is incremented by 1. Now what is the k value? 2. So where it will be updated? In memory. Now what is the k value? 2. The next, again we are incremented the k value, so to use in the variable, so to use in the program. Okay, the k equals to 3. So again k is incremented, the k is 4. Every time to access the k value, so the control is moving to the memory, from it accessing the value and it will be substituted in the program. Okay, so how many times it will be do? This process takes place how many times? So that is according to number of times. For example, in loops, so this situation arise in loops, in while loop or for loop. So here what we write here? While. Okay, k less than or equals to 10, k plus plus. So this is a situation comes in the loops, either while loop or in for loop. Okay, or for loop. So how many times this while loop repeats, that many times it has to move to the memory and the value is updated and to access from the memory and it will be substituted in the program. Okay, so this may takes lot of time. Okay, to save the time and to save the space, to access the value fastly here, so this type of variables, the variables which we use in the loops, for example for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, plus plus I. So here I is a variable which is used in the loop. Initially, what is the value of I? 1. Okay, that will be stored in the memory. Now I plus plus. Now go to the memory, change the I value. Now what is I value? 2. Okay, now access this I value from memory and will be substituted here. 2 less than or equals to 10. Okay, now I is incremented by 1. Now go to memory and here substitute update the value, that is I equals to 3, and access from the memory and substituted here. So how many times this process repeats? 10 times, because until the condition becomes false, 10 times. After 10 times, okay. So this is the way it takes the time to travel from program to the memory and memory to the program. So this situation comes to solver using the keyword register int I. So where this I is stored? In CPU registers. In CPU registers. Okay. Now it is very easy, quickly, fastly. It is very easy. It is very quick and very fast to access the variable which is stored in the CPU registers I. Okay. So the loop variables, the variables which are used in the loops in any loop, so those variables are defined with a keyword register. Okay, then what is the scope of this variable? Within the function, where we declare within the function, that is the scope of a variable, either that is belongs to the inside the function or outside the function. If it defines inside the function, it belongs to that function only. If the function is alive, then it is existed, otherwise it does not exist. Okay, that is the register storage class. Thank you.